So this brings us to our last rag.
Rag Raisa Kannada. Related to Shahana, this rag has a very specific tonal construct. It has an idiosyncratic sequence that is a signature of this rag. A favorite of Jaipur Gharana singers, this rag is a combination of Naiki Kannada and Shahana Kannada. The rag is sung with some variation by Gwalior Gharana singers, however, where Dhaivat is definitely de-emphasized. The important phrases or the Ragavachak phrases of this rag are
Gama padani pa dha pa ma pa ma gama gama pa ma pa dha padani sadani pa sadani pa dha pa ma pa ma gama.
So as you can see, the Dhaivat laden phrases will make this a Shahana Kannada. Sa dhani pa is to be avoided, so we can steer clear from getting into Bahar or Shahana. We again do not see any specific Samvada Tattva in this rag, but Sa dha Sangati is observed. This is a difficult rag to understand and execute and is rarely performed on stage. And Samir will sing it for us today.
All right. I'll just take 1 minute. In this entire concert, you've seen all of us perform, but there are two individuals, right, and on both sides. They've been, for our musical journey, they have been our guiding lights. They have been the tow truck that we need. They have been the fuel that we have needed. So none of this would have been possible without Yogesh Karare on tabla and Hirak Modi on harmonium. समझना ही कछु उठ चल बिया फेर दे होरी तुम कब से ठाड़ी ठाड़ी निहारे वो मेरी प्यारे प्यारे पुकार वो री तुम pa ni ni pa ma pa pa ma ga ma pa ma pa da ni sa da ni pa sa da ni pa ma pa ma ga ma ri to ma sa ni sa re ma pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa da ni re sa ma ga ma re sa ni re sa re ni sa da ni pa ni ma pa ga ma re sa ni sa re ma re ma pa ni pa ga ma ri to ma sa ri to ma sa ma jha ta na ri to ma sa ri to ma to sa ma jha ta na he re to ma sa मन मोहलीनो मन मोहलीनो श्याम मन मोहलीनो श्याम मन मोहलीनो श्याम सुंदर ने कैसे कीनी चतुराई मन मोहलीनो मन मोहलीनो मन मन मोहलीनो श्याम मन मोहलीनो सुनरी सखी मैं सुनरी सखी मैं प्राण प्रिया बिन कैसे के बंसिया बजाए मन मोहलीनो श्याम मन मोहलीनो श्याम मन मोहलीनो मन मोहलीनो मन मोहलीनो मना मन मोहलीनो श्याम मन मोहलीनो श्याम सुंदर ने कैसे कीनी चतुराई मन मोहलीनो मन मोहलीनो मन मोहलीनो
So, although there are more rags that share notes with Kafi, we conclude our presentation here. Thank you for allowing us to walk you through this journey. We would really appreciate any feedback you may have, and we are hoping to bring more concepts to you in this format. So your feedback will be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Thank you so much for your attendance. Pradeep ji, Jawad ji, this was amazing. Thank you very much. Or some may have called us somebody who scolds us like mom. You are my kid's age, so definitely will scold you.
Yes.
Yes, Pikasa and Sarah, thank you so much.